Hi and welcome. Hope you're having a great day. This is a continuation of video 1. It's the same problem. It still has all of the computational layer that I did from video 1. I wanted to show one more thing that you could do that might help your kids in prompting them to show their work. And so here we have, again, our equation solve the following for x. Instead of putting my equation in the note here, I'm actually going to erase it from here, and I'm going to add a different computational layer that involves a table of values, and I'm going to put it underneath my whiteboard over here. And I'm going to label this for teacher use, and it's not going to show up for the kids. And then I'm going to put my equation over here. We had 2x plus 3 equals 5. Don't need these extra ones. We'll get rid of them. And then in the computational layer for the table of values, we want to make sure that we keep it hidden from students. So we're going to type in hidden true. And we're also, so that when it's reading it, very similar to the whiteboard when we got our check mark on the dashboard, we put read only true for that as well. So I'm going to do the same thing here. And so that's all that's required for the table of value, the table to get my equation. But now I come into the whiteboard here, and we have to do a little CL there as well. There's two places here. One, I need, instead of just a blank whiteboard, I'm going to change this over to a graph. And with my graph, I'm going to remove all of the lines here. So I'm going to hit the little wrench, and I'm going to take all of these off, so that it gives me a blank one here. And what essentially I'm doing is I'm labeling a point, and I'm going to say that it's A is equal to the 0.09. And I can change the color. I want it to come in as black instead of red. And then I'm actually going to remove that part. Next up, in the computational layer here, while we have read only true, we got to put some other stuff in here. And in this part, we want to label our point. I labeled it A in my graph, so I want to match that up there. And then I'm telling it to pull from my table of values, teacher use, content cell 1, 2 there. And now when I preview it, my little equation is at the top there, prompting them to show their work on the whiteboard. Thanks for watching.